Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to design a MS Access report with an image control and also how to preview specific record using MS Access report. To explain this process, I have designed sample MS Access database. It is about student profile database. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Okay, let's go to the video. From the first part, I'll explain you how to design a simple report. First of all, we need to add a new report for our database. To add a new report, what you should do is you need to click on the Create tab and select blank. To add a new report, what you should do is just click on the Create tab and select blank report. To save your report, you need to click on you need to press Ctrl plus S. Then give a name to your report. So here I am going to name my report as RPT Student Portfolio. RPT Student Portfolio. Then press OK button. Now I want to add controls to my newly created report. To add controls, just click on the right click on the RPT Student Portfolio report and select Design View from the menu. So there, I want to give a name for my report. Then select Page Header section or the report header section. Then again go to the Design tab. Then draw a label inside the page header. Then my report name is Student Profile. Now I am going to change the font size of my label, and also I want to set font color to black and font type to Times New Roman. Then again press Save button. Now come to the report detail section. There I want to add 6 text boxes. To add 6 text boxes, go to Design tab and select Text Box tool and draw a text box like this. Then I want to copy another 5 text boxes for my table fields. You see my table contains 6 columns. Therefore, to show all the column details, here I need to add 4 text boxes. To show all the columns of my table, I need to draw 6 text boxes. Already I have added a 1 text box, so I need to add another 5. Just copy the added text box and paste like this. Yes, now I have 6 text boxes. I want to change the labels of these text boxes to table fields. So my first table field is index number. Second one is name. Third one for address. And the fifth one for student age, and the fifth one for email address, and the last one for image path. Then I want to set the font size of my text boxes to 12, just say 14, and I want to change the font color to black. Then my font type to Times New Roman. Then I want to select control source for my entire report. Therefore, select this left side corner square, and there you can see property sheet for the report. So from this property sheet, go to the data tab and select your table. So here I have only one table. It is TBL profile. You need to set your control source for your report like this. Now I set my control source for my report. Then you need to add individual table field for these text boxes. For my first text box, select the first text box and again go to the properties window. Under the data tab, you need to select student index, and for the second one you need to select student name. For the third one you need to select address. For the fourth one you need to select age. For the fifth one you need to select email, and for the last one you need to select student photo, STU photo. Now save the process. Now I want to save student image. To show the student image, you need to add a image control. To add the image control, again go to the design tab, then select this downside or downward arrow and select image control and draw it like this. For the image control also, I need to select the that control source, then select to image control and go to the properties window, then select the other tab. So under the other, select the data tab, and under the data tab you can choose. So go to the data tab and click on this drop down arrow and select student photo as control source. Now save your process. Now we design simply our data report. Then I want to preview my report. So to preview my report, go to the view and select print preview. So from print preview you can see your designed report like this. So by using these navigation buttons I can navigate through the records like this. Now this is the end of the first part of my video. So under the second part I will show you how to open a specific record according to your database table. Now I will explain you how to open a specific record from your database. To do this, you need to add few controls to your existing data entry form. So I'll show my existing data entry table. So this is my data entry. So this is my existing data entry form. So to open specific record, I need to add several controls for my form, text box and a command button. So to do this small modification, just right click on your form and go to design view. So there I am going to add new text box to the form header part. Again go to the design tab and select text box and draw a text box like this. Then you need to change the text box label to enter index number. Then I want to change the font color to black and font type to Times New Roman. Here I want to change the text box name to txt student index. So my text box name is txt student and save the process. Now last I want to add a command button. Again go to the design tab, then draw a command button like this. Now I need to change my command button name to open. Again I am going to change the font color and font type to Times New Roman, and also I want to change the command button name to btn open report. btn open report. Save the process. And also I added my command bar to the form header section. So name of my command button is btn open report and caption is open. After that I want to add a small VBA coding part for my RPT open report click event. So that is the name of my command button. To add a VBA coding part, just right click on this button. I click on this button and select build event. After that you can see VBA editor. Then under the btn open report click event you need to place following code. So here I want to dim two variables, dim str student index as string. Then again dim another variable, dim str filter as string. Right. Now I want to make sure whether the text box is empty, one or not. To check that process, what you should do is put this command line. If this is the text box name, txt student index equals within then open and close inverted commas, then message box please enter a student index number, then close inverted commas, comma, then VB exclamation comma, within open inverted commas, then missing input, close inverted commas, then exit sub and end if. Now I want to equal str student index equals to me dot txt student index. So this is the report filter part. Str filter equals open inverted commas, then open square bracket, student index. This is the table field name equal, then close inverted commas, then and mark, then str student index, our variable, So after that, finally we need to open the report, do cmd dot open report, report name rpt student portfolio close inverted commas, comma, then AC view preview, then double open two commas, then str filter. So that is the end of our VBA coding part. Now save your code and exit from the VBA editor. Then this is the time to test our work. Now go to the form view. So here under the table there are two records. One index number is 1000 and the other index number is 1001. So just close the table. Now here I am going to enter 1001 index number like this. Then just click on the open button. Now you see the specific records relevant to the 1001 index number opened like this. Now just assume if you want to add a 1000 this record, just enter the index number and click open. Now you can see this kind of record. Okay, so likewise by entering your index number and you can open specific records relevant to your table. So that is what I want to explain today. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under video comment section, and also I'll add link to download sample database table so you can download and refer. So that is it for today. Let's meet with another video like this. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.